Are you tired of AI systems that hallucinate, give wrong answers, or cannot connect the dots between your data? The problem isn't your AI model, it's the semantic gap between raw data and what AI actually needs to understand. This is Fahad Mirza and I welcome you to the channel. In this video, we are going to not only look at this semantic gap thing, but also we will do a hands-on demo of Semantica, which I am going to cover in this video, which is a free MIT tool. Please also like the video and subscribe and consider becoming a member. Please also follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates without any hype. Okay, coming back to this Semantica thing, here is the issue. Most organizations have unstructured data scattered everywhere: PDFs, emails, databases, logs, and the list goes on. Traditional approaches treat each document as an isolated island, just extracting text and storing vectors. But AI systems need something completely different. They need formal ontologies, structured entities with validated relationships, and semantic connections that enable context aware reasoning. Without this semantic layer, your AI systems will break, hallucinate, or fail silently with wrong answers. This is where this tool Semantica is trying to help out. It's an open source framework that bridges this semantic gap. Instead of processing isolated documents, Semantica understands semantic relationship across all your content. It automatically generates ontologies, builds production-ready knowledge graphs, and powers graph rag systems that achieve around 91% accuracy. That's 30% improvement over traditional vector-only approaches. It also transforms your messy, unstructured data into AI-ready knowledge with automated entity extraction, relationship mapping, conflict detection, and quality assurance built right in. But you know what? Let's test it out and see how exactly it works. I'm going to use this Ubuntu system. If you're looking to rent a GPU or VM or CPU on very affordable price, you can find the link to Master Compute in video's description with a discount coupon code of 50% for range of GPUs. Next up, let me quickly create a virtual environment with Conda so that we could just get this thing installed in isolation, and my virtual environment is created. This is not mandatory but always a good idea. Semantica is available as a pip package. As you can see, the PyPy package, and I'm installing it with pip. You can also install extra dependencies if you like, and you can also install it from source, but I'm just going to keep it simple and sweet. And you can see that it installs a lot of things. Everything is installed and Semantica is ready to be used. As you can see that it has been, okay, so I just pasted that exclamation. Let me fix that. And it works now. Now let's see it in action. So first up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you an example. And what we are going to do, we are going to see how Semantica transforms unstructured text into queryable knowledge graph. So I'm just creating some sample business documents, as you can see, and they are just, some demo documents around company info, partnership, and product. So now let me take you to my VS Code and I will show you how exactly this thing works. So this is a code which I'm going to use. And if you look at this code, all I'm doing, I am ingesting those documents from the current directory. I am parsing them to extract content, and then I'm using named entity recognition or NAR to identify entities like people, organization, and products. For example, Steve Jobs, Apple, iPhone, and then I'm extracting the semantic relationship between them, like Steve Jobs founded Apple. So we also have something called as graph builder here, which then constructs a unified knowledge graph by merging duplicate entities and connecting related information across all documents, which ultimately creates a structured network of nodes, entities, and edges, which are relationship that can be queried intelligently. And then I'm saving it as a JSON file, but I will also show you how it works. So let me take you to my terminal and we are going to run this. So now let me run this and just wait for it to start triggering. There you go. very quick. Let me explain what has happened here. I'll just take you at the top. So you see, the demo has successfully ran and created a knowledge graph from our three text file. So Semantica ingested all three documents like company info, product partnership. It passed their content and then it performed intelligent entity extraction. Like it identified all 17 entities like Apple, Steve Jobs, Steve Wozniak, even year like 2014 and all that stuff. You can see it here. And once it was done there, it also discovered two relationship between these entities, like Steve Jobs introduced iPhone in 2007 and Ronald Wayne founded in 1976. And for me, the most impressive part is automatic deduplication phase. Semantica recognized that Steve Jobs mentioned in different documents refer to the same person and merged them into a single entity. And it also resolved the 17 initial entities down to just 7 unique ones. The final knowledge graph has around 7 nodes and it is just, you see, deduplicating. This is so good. But of course, we have to be a bit careful there because there is a very high chance of error. And I'm just going scrolling down, showing you very quickly. So it has done a lot of stuff. I'm also very impressed by the speed. There you go. So you see, um, not only it has done it, but the final knowledge graph has 7 nodes, unique entities, and 2 edges, which are the relationships. All, and it has also saved it to the knowledge graph JSON file as a queryable semantic network. And the entire transformation from unstructured text to structured knowledge happened automatically, and the quality seems quite good. But of course, I think if you're deploying it in the production environment, there has to be another layer of judging the output so that we are sure that it hasn't made any errors there. So I think that's pretty much it. In few seconds, we transformed 3 simple text files into a production-ready knowledge graph with automatic entity recognition, relationship extraction, and intelligent deduplication. So I think the cool thing is that just storing text as vector, Semantica understands the meaning and connection in your data. So whether you are building graph rack system, AI agents with memory, or even multi-agent systems that need semantic understanding, Semantica gives you the infrastructure to transform chaotic data into intelligent knowledge. Open source free tool, really good stuff. 100% open source, MIT licensed, and as far as I can see, you can test it out in your prod use cases. But of course, you need to be a bit due diligent there. I will also drop the link to GitHub repo in the video's description, which you can check it out. So give it a try. And if you build something cool with Semantica or any other tool which I have been covering, drop a comment and let me know. Also, I would request you again to please follow me on X if you're looking for AI updates, and please like and subscribe the video and consider becoming a member. Thank you for all the support.